Not sure how to use your Fujitsu AC Remote? Model number AR-RAE1E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Fujitsu AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Press the 10 degrees Celsius heat button to maintain a minimum room temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. This prevents the room from getting too cold while saving energy during long absences. Press the coil dry button to start the self-cleaning process, which dries the indoor unit's coils to prevent mold, bacteria, and unpleasant odors after cooling. The economy button reduces power consumption by optimizing cooling or heating performance. It helps save energy while maintaining comfortable room temperature. The set button is used to confirm and save the selected function or setting on the remote. Pressing it finalizes the chosen mode, timer, or temperature adjustment and locks it into operation. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer mode button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m., and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer mode button to start the off-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Fujitsu AC Remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. The Test Run button is for maintenance checks, running a short cycle to confirm the AC's cooling, heating, and airflow functions. It is not intended for regular daily use. If your Mitsubishi AC Remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Press the Reset button to reboot the remote control. This action clears temporary errors or glitches and restores the remote to normal operation. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Fujitsu AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.